Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2018. Here they have given one C program and they are asking for the output of the program is. Okay, you know any program will start its execution from main function. Okay, immediately when we call the main function, it is going to execute the calc statement whatever they have written. Means they are calling the function calc of 4 comma 81. Whenever I am passing, it is going to call this function. It is going to call the function. So initially they have declared one counter variable with a value 0. Okay. Whenever they are calling the function cal comma 4 comma 81, here it is going to create two local variables a and b with the values, the parameter value they pass, that is 4 comma 81. Then they have declared one c variable once again. Then they incremented counter value incremented by 1. So count value is plus plus, that is 1. If b double equal to 3, is b double equal to 3? No. Then it's going to execute else block. Else block. This condition is failed. Then it's going to execute this block. C equal to calc of 4 comma a value is 4. B by 3 instead of b, what is b value? 81. 81 by 3 is what? 27. Means it is going to pass 4 comma 27. When 4 comma 27, it is once again calling the same function. Means by passing 4 comma 27. Whenever it is passing 4 comma 27, it is going to execute counter function once again, incremented counter value. Then is b value is equal to 3? No, once again executing else block. Then c equal to calc of 4 comma 27 by 3 is 9. It is going to pass 9. So once again 4 comma 9 is going to pass. Then also it is going to execute counter plus plus, that is 3 times, third time. Then is b value is 3, 9 double equal to 3? No. Then once again it is going to execute this function. So that is c equal to calc of 4 comma b by 3 is 3, right? So 4 comma 3 is going to call once again. Now 4 comma 3 counter function will be incremented by 1, that is 4. Is b double equal to 3 now? Yes. B double equal to 3. Then it is going to return what? A into A into A. Means it is going to return something. But you need to understood here one thing. It is going to return something. They are asking about the output of the program. That means when this is going to terminate, it is going to return A into A into A. What is A value? 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4. That will be returned. So here after completion of this statement, it is going to return C into C. But they are not asking about the final return value C value or A value. They are asking about printf percentage d comma counter. This you need to understood. Otherwise we will make complete time waste here. So printf percentage d comma counter means they are asking about how many times this block is going to execute. Simple question. So how many times the counter function is executed, statement executed? 4 times. So our answer is 4. But instead of seeing this statement, you are trying to make return function executing, multiplying, means your time will be wasted. Okay, fine. So this program you can do in another way also through stack. Here make some number representation, something like make line numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, fine. Once again I am going to declare counter function with a value 0, C value, some value. Okay, fine. I am going to pass calc of 4 comma 81. See here I am going to pass 4 comma 81. After execution of 4 comma 81, then only my counter, my 4 comma 81, I will call this function 4 comma 81 is called. When 4 comma 81 is called, then only the statement is executed. Okay, this second statement is executed. Printf percentage d comma counter. Fine. Now counter value will be incremented by 1, 4 comma 81. This is a value and this is b value. Okay, fine. Now is b double equal to 3? No. Then it is going to execute this statement. Means this statement is going to call. This 4 comma 81 statement is going to call this 4 comma 27. 81 by 3, that is 27 it is called. So after successful execution of 4 comma 27, which line of statement is going to execute? Sixth line of statement execute. Means this 4 comma 27 will, if execute, it is going to execute sixth line. Okay, now 4 comma 27, whenever it is calling, counter will be incremented by 2 is 27 equal to 3. No, it is going to execute once again calc of a comma b. Means 4 comma 27 by 3, that is 9. 4 comma 9. After successful execution of 4 comma 9, it is going to execute once again sixth statement. Okay, now 4 comma 9 is calling. Whenever 4 comma 9 is calling, counter will be incremented. Now 9 double equal to 3. No, once again it is going to execute else block calc of a comma b by 3, that is 4 comma 3. Now here the value is 3. Now it is going to pass 4 comma 3. After successful execution of 4 comma 3, the next statement is going to execute is sixth statement. Now 4 comma 3 is passed here. Now counter value will be 4. Now is b double equal to 3? Yes. 3 double equal to 3. Yes, condition is true. Then it's going to return what? A into a into a. Means 4 into 4 into 4. Means it is going to return some particular value here. 4 into 4. That value will be replaced with this particular location. Then sixth statement will be executed. That is C into C. Then this will be executed. Then like this it will be completely executed. After execution of this statement, 4 comma 81 is executed. Then our next statement, printf counter statement, will be executed. So printf percentage d counter means the 4. See, here this procedure is important when they are asking about what is the final value of C. If they are asking, then it will be important for us. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.